Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to be walking through Target's home decor. So come on with me, guys. Now their items are a little bit pricey, but they're so gorgeous. I'm absolutely loving those lanterns. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go in and out of the video. Now I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.